Yeah, hi, how are you? This is number sequence. Yeah, your course name is 4024. And in this 4024 course of A level, O levels mathematics, you have subtopics arithmetic sequences and quadratic sequences. When you see level 1 simple sequences, level 2 finding an expression in terms of n, level 3 problem solving with arithmetic sequences, level 1 here of quadratic sequences, simple sequences we have to study, level 2 finding in the expression in terms of n, and level 3 problem solving with quadratic sequences. So let's start the first lesson, arithmetic sequences, level 1 simple sequences. We are going to study simple sequences. Before we start, I want to tell you what sequences are. Sequence is actually in the special arrangement of numbers in a manner in a sequence that every term, every number has relation with the other previous and the next coming number. For example, you can see that this is the number sequence where 2 has the relationship between with 1 and 3, that one preceding and one succeeding. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it is a never ending sequence. It is a sequence of natural numbers. You can see that we are going to express this number with the help of algebra, I mean with a letter n. So this sequence can be expressed with a number n. In algebra we use x or y, rather x mostly we use. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12 and going on and on and on, it will be expressed as n, the nth term, the term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. We can see the number 1, number 2, number 3. So term number 1, term number 2, term number 3, we call them terms. These all numbers in the sequence are called terms. All right, let's go to the sequence number 2, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have this sequence, never ending sequence. It will be going on and on and on. We have to express this number in algebraic form. Look at this, compare them. When we compare, we see that we are just missing 1 here. The first term that is having 1, the first term is 1 here, that is missing. We have to compare, and then we see what will be the expression of sequence number 2, that is n plus 1. We have to add plus 1 to the expression n here. And now 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, look at this and compare it with 1. Look at this, in the start you are missing 2 terms. So now what will be the effect in the nth term, I mean in the expression of sequence number 3, that will be n plus 2, right? And now look at this, 0 1 2 3 4, compare them. You are adding 0 here, you are introducing 0 with this natural number sequence. So here you are of course this will be affected in a manner that you are going to write n minus 1 as the expression of 0 1 2 3 4. So look at this, minus 1 0 1 2 3, and now you compare with your sequence number 1, that is the natural number sequence. You are having minus 1 and 0 in the start before 1. So of course this will be affected. The sequence n will not be n here, but it will be n minus 2. And now 2 4 6 8 10, this is the sequence of you can see you are going to multiply the sequence by 2. You are doubling each and every sequence. So let's say we multiply this by 2. So every number is multiplying by 2, and 2 times n will be the sequence of sequence number 6. Similarly 3 6 9 and 12, and at the end you have to express the sequence of 3 times table. So 3 times table sequence can be expressed as 3 times n, 3n, because we are multiplying this whole sequence, natural number sequence, by 3. So 3 times n will be the sequence of 3 times table. 1 3 5 7 9. All right, this is the odd number sequence. You have to remember, you have to learn this. 2n minus 1. 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10. How you can just